my beauties, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. I create videos on beauty, makeup and self-care. Self-care is a very vast word for me which includes skincare, hair care and your physical and mental health. In today's video, I am going to talk about some hair care routine which I have been following for a few days now. Hair fall is a very common problem these days for all of us. So I wanted to share these amazing products with you which I have been using for a few days to protect my hair fall and strengthen my hair. If you're new here, please make sure you have subscribed to my channel and hit the bell notification. So without any further ado, let's dive into this. So today I have two products from Lotus Organics which is specially designed for hair fall control. Lotus Organics Hair Fall Control Revitalizer and Hair Fall Control Revival Mask. In today's video, I'll be talking in detail about these two products. Let's start with Lotus Organics Hair Fall Control Revival Mask, which repairs damaged and chemically treated hair and suitable for all hair types. Lotus Organics Hair Fall Control Revival Mask is formulated with 100% certified organic rosemary extract, red onion extracts and shea butter. Rosemary is tremendously beneficial for hair growth due to its ability to improve cellular generation. The essential oil is utilized to keep the scalp thoroughly nourished and controls premature hair fall and graying hair. Red onion provides sustenance to the hair follicles, which helps in accelerating hair volume, shine and strengthens the root. The red onion extract aids the regrowth of hair and provides it with nourishment it needs. Red onion possesses antimicrobial properties that helps it to fight scalp infections, which may contribute to hair fall. Shea butter is a seed fat which originates from the shea tree and is profoundly advantageous for smooth and glossy hair. It consists vitamin A and E, which provides the necessary luster and moisture to the hair. The non-greasy quality of the butter makes it an exceptional choice for the nourishment of the hair. Now let's talk about the key benefits of the product. The Revival Mask is evolved to provide deep conditioning to the hair shaft without leaving any residue on the scalp. A royal ritual to replenish moisture, restore shine and strengthen overstressed hair. The protective formula forms an invisible envelope on each strand that helps combat the effects of environmental aggressors and chemical treatments. This mask is optimal for chemically treated hair for the hair to remain vibrant and glossy. Revival Mask reverses hair damage caused due to excessive heat, styling tools, pollution and stress. It nourishes the hair roots and prevents breakage. The product has very mild natural fragrance and it's free from artificial fragrance and sulfate. Let me show you how to use this mask. After washing, section your hair into two parts. Delicately massage the product into your hair and leave it for 15 minutes. Let the mask work its magic and seal the moisture in the hair follicles for a soothing and mesmerizing effect. And then rinse off with clear water. Let's talk about the second product, which is Hair Fall Control Revitalizer. The key ingredients of the product are 100% organic rosemary oil and red onion extracts. The benefits of these ingredients I have already explained earlier. The packaging is really nice. It comes in a bottle which makes it very travel friendly. Let me show you how to use this revitalizer. Part clean and dry hair into sections. Spray the revitalizer onto the hair and then gently massage along the length of the hair. Now comb along and detangle your hair smooth. I am using a wooden detangle comb here which is made up of neem. You can use any that you have. So now let's talk about the key benefits of this revitalizer. The hair fall control revitalizer prevents environmental and chemical damage, regulates the damage caused to the hair due to pollution, stress and chemicals by taming down the frizz and smoothing. Lotus Organics Hair Fall Control Revitalizer is enriched with the goodness of essential oils, has restorative properties to nourish the hair deeply. It reduces split ends and adds volume. Revitalizer nurtures the hair follicles and retains the natural oils of the hair to strengthen it from within and making it voluminous. If I talk about my personal experience, then I loved these two products. It is the best investment in the hair care. Applying it regularly has improved my hair texture noticeably. This has worked magically for my hair. It has the best combination of actives that made my hair healthier and stronger. I would highly recommend to give it a try. You can see yourself how happier and bouncier my hair are looking today. All the details about the product, purchase link and coupon code I'll mention in the description box, so don't forget to check it. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in a brand new video. Bye.